Oh, and welcome back to the workshop. Shed, sorry, I keep calling it a workshop, it's a shed. What's been happening? Sweet FA? Nothing, I haven't been doing anything. For some reason we've had one thing after another the last 6 months or more, and we haven't been able to get down to anything. Engine building has ceased. Pen making has ceased. Knife making has ceased. Everything ceased. I haven't had the inclination to do anything, unfortunately. I don't know why I'm in this state, but I am at the moment. I'm waiting for inspiration. Just hang on a sec, I'll just pause it for a second. I don't know how you do that. Oh, pause. There we are. Is that paused? I don't know if it's paused or not. It says recording, it could be anything. Anyway, what I wanted to do was just get lost it. Oh no, I haven't. I don't know if I'm pausing this or unpausing it or doing what. I'm going to stop it. And I've started it again, so I don't know if you've got a lovely picture of my belly button or not. Anyway, the 4-cylinder engine is thus far not any great movement on it. We've got the crankcase, we've got the crankshaft, we've got 4 conrods, we've got 4 cylinders, and we've got the cylinder head. And that's as far as she goes, I'm afraid, at the minute. I just can't seem to get the wind to do any more. But I just thought I'd make a little video just to say that we're still in the land of the living and still hoping to make some progress. It seems a bit stupid having amassed all my machines to stop producing things, but it's just one of those quirks of life, I suppose. 1 minute you're full of it, and the next minute well, people say I'm still full of it. I don't know, I just can't get a grip on anything. I've got Fusion 360, I haven't looked at it for months. I can't bring myself to look at it. What I need is a good kick up the what's the name, I suppose, but hopefully in the next few weeks, after we've had a bit of a holiday, I might get the inspiration again. I need to get the inspiration again. It's making me feel really bad that I'm not doing anything, because I've now got a workshop full of superb tools that I've acquired over the last 4 years since I built the shed. The lathe is absolutely smack on now. It's got digital readout on it. It's got variable speed of EDF. Are they called EDF? Yeah, of EDF speed control on it. It's got everything. Likewise with my manual mill, I've fitted a power feed to the X-axis, and I've also made my own powered feed for the Z. And it's a superb machine. It works really well. I was really pleased with it, and I've still got the little mill I converted into CNC when I first started. So I've got all the kit. I've got drawers full of tooling for the lathe and tooling for the mill. I've got boxes of stuff from centering indicator, adjustable reamers, angle gauges. I've got yeah, all sorts. I suppose one day I should give you a tour of all the stuff I've managed to acquire. It is phenomenal. Anyway, that's all I'm going to do for now. Hopefully as I say, in the next few weeks after we've had a holiday, I can come back and maybe the old mojo will be working again and we can start getting into some silly jobs. So just to let you know, I'm still here and hopefully I'll be back machining things. So till then, bye bye.